tell today's our first drift event. Sadly, 3.5 hours to go. To make a really quick gas station run because I gotta pay for the entrance and I forgot to do that, but look at this, guys. Clean 350 over here. Whew. It's like Nardo gray. I really like that color. And then we got this G35. And you guys already know, whenever I come to Orlando, gotta meet up with Angel. So yeah, now we're gonna head over there. We made it, boys. Finally. After the longest ride of my life.
Tired yet?
Dude, I was... We're in. Also, I want to say this before everything starts. The wind is really bad. I don't even know if you guys can hear me right now, but we're gonna try. We're gonna try.
There's so many trees over there already.
So I haven't really talked to you guys a lot because as you're gonna hear, it's like horrible wind and then cars. Right now we're waiting. I think we're gonna go on a ride along. So next clip, fingers crossed, it's a ride along. Nah. What's your name?
Steven.
Nice to meet you, man. Thank you.
Nice to meet you, man. I'm pretty sure this radio works, but we need like an aux cord or something.
Oh, really? It's not bad to listen to music. Best car for somebody that starts drifting would be probably like a 350 or any kind of C, right?
350s are really good. Yeah. I mean, 250 horsepower is plenty. The car's pretty much stuck.
Yeah.
In terms of motor and stuff like bolt-ons.
Yeah.
I mean, it's got good suspension geometry. They're cheap and reliable. So yeah, 350Z.
Yeah. Opinion on drifting? Guys, I think I'm gonna have to do it. You talked me into it.
Just seeing how hard I can throw it before they let go, and that's about it. Just pull that cable. Is that your camera or his?
That's mine.
Oh, okay.
Do you want one?
He convinced me with that one. Now I have to.
That's how it happens.
That was awesome.
Ride, then you want one.
I gotta go for one now. It's the car that we rode in, bros. That was sick, dude. Thank you.
You can't stop smiling.
Dude, that's wow. That was next level adrenaline. Like that was damn
Look at smile.
crazy. I brought me here. Yo, we need a drift car, dude. Boys, I think our next ride is gonna be over.
Get your butt, don't worry about it.
Alright.
It's unfortunately just the way it is.
What is that done to it?
It is a stock 5.3 motor out of a Tahoe.
Wow.
With an adapter plate and a Z32 transmission.
Oh, okay.
And then I got all the other add-ons, you know, BC coils.
Yeah.
I got full ISR Pro suspension, cut welded knuckles.
How long have you been drifting for?
A long time, like 12 years maybe.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
That's a long time. Was drifting as popular back then? Probably not, right?
No. I got it when I got into it. Like we really didn't have many tracks to drift on.
I bet. Alright, thank you, my friend.
Yeah, no problem.
Thank you. Appreciate it. And that's what we just rode in. Pretty awesome. Well guys, and just like that, shout out to Angel for convincing me and bringing me here. Well, not bringing me here, but getting me in some cars. Huge shout out to him. Drifting is awesome. Well, we'll talk more later. Right now we're like super hungry, so we're gonna go eat. And probably I'm just gonna go head home after. I haven't really gotten a shot at both of these next to one another, but... Is it far? How far away is it?
20 minutes.
We are starving. As tired as I am, and I didn't really get to drift. This video wasn't about me drifting. It was about me being in the environment and just seeing how everything is. But definitely, fingers crossed, next video. Well, not next video. Next time I come out, it's gonna be me drifting. Hopefully, we'll see. Time to eat. Angel, how was it?
It was good. I was so hungry.
Now we're good. And we're back. All right, boys, so that's a wrap for today. Shout out to Angel. Say goodbye. Peace out, bro.
Take care, man. See you
Thanks
later.
for having me over.
I'll visit you soon.
Yeah, soon we gotta make a video. And yeah, I'm gonna head home now because I'm like super tired. That's why I'm talking like this.
Thumbs up for drifting.
Thumbs up for more drifting videos. That should be fun. It's currently the next day, and honestly, I can't believe I had that much fun yesterday. It was crazy. The reason why I didn't end the vlog once I got home like at 9:40, and bros, tired is an understatement to how tired I was. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed that video. Shout out to everybody that gave me a ride. That was amazing. Subscribe to Angel. Thanks for helping out, bro. And Brittany, that 4-hour road trip, actually, she did a lot better than I expected. So thank you for not giving me problems. Also, if you bros haven't checked out the new shirts that came out, link will be on top of the description. Thank you so much for the support. And with that said, yeah, we'll see you guys next time, where Brittany's gonna get a really nice mod. Wait on him. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you hit the thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. What are you doing? Like, subscribe. Join the family. Thank you guys so much, really, for all the support you're giving me. And yeah, we'll see you guys next time. Peace.